G'day, Scott Yates here from Perma Products. We're a family business, been operating 40 years. My brother and I are third generation, and since we've been involved, our business has gone from both of us unloading containers ourselves to now really going through the 20 million mark, and 8 products up to over 300. We've got business in the US, and as you can imagine, through that process, everything becomes a bit convoluted when you haven't had the right systems and structures in place. So we invited Trudy in today to help us with what we see as the future for our business and developing the foundations we need to really go through what our target is to become a professional $50 million business in 5 to 10 years time, and have everyone working with the correct roles and responsibilities. So you've had a great day here going through, starting with a strategic plan and the top end, and then really going and breaking down what the business will look like and who will have what responsibility and the clarity of the roles. And it's been very meaningful for us to have what really seems like 2020 vision now moving forward, to say, this is the direction we're going, this is the cadence at which we're looking at our business and looking internally, and the meetings we're having with the key staff and the leaders within the org chart that we're identifying. So a great day. Thank you, Trudy.